this is the best order block trading strategy. So now order blocks specifically refers to price areas where market participants such as institutional traders have previously placed their significant buy or sell orders. Okay, so now we always look for strong price movements in the opposite direction. Okay, so now there was this move, right? And this move actually it broke this last low. Okay, so now you can see that there was the break of that last low. When you break that last low, that means yes, these institutional traders they left their sell orders. Okay, so now you can see right here there was this candle right here, this bearish candle and a bullish candle. So we always draw an order block according to this opposite candle, right? This what? This opposite, the candle in the opposite direction. So now, for example, this was a bullish candle and this is a bearish candle. So now we always draw an order block on this bearish candle and we wait for it to come back if it comes back, right? So when the market comes back to your order block, you always execute from there. Okay, so now let's go to another one, right? So now you see here, you see right here, this was right here, there was a move right there. Okay, there was a sudden bearish move right there, and that move it led to the break of market structure right here. Okay, it led to the break of market structure right here. Remember, we always have to look for the break of market structure before looking for an order block. And yes, we say, where did this move started from? Okay, so now this move started from right here. There was this opposite candle. This was a bullish candle before they moved to the downside, before it made this bearish move. Okay, remember this move was made by these institutional traders, leaving some orders right here. That means they can come back to this zone and they sell again. So that's why we draw this as an order block right here. You can see that when the market came there, it sold again. Okay, so now like that. So now let's see a certain example, another example right here. Always these examples they do work when you add it with market structure shift, guys. Okay, so now there was this break of market structure right here. There was this break of market structure right here. Okay, and what led to the break of market structure? Okay, what led to this break of market structure? Let's see it. Okay, so now when you look right here, there was this move right here. There was this bullish move. Remember, we are on a higher time frame. We are on H4 time frame. There was this move. Okay, this move was made by these institutional traders, guys. Okay, leaving their orders here where they would come in and buy from. Okay, so now that means we draw an order block right here on the opposite candle. You can see that when the market came back to that order block, can you see how it reacted? Okay, so now also you can see right here there was this move. Okay, there was this move, guys. Okay, this was a bullish move. Remember, this is a higher time frame. Okay, so now there was this bullish move, leaving some orders here. We always draw an order block or the opposite candle. Remember, this move started right from here. Okay, this move started right from here. That means this was a bearish candle that we have to draw an order block at. Okay, so now this was an order block right here. Okay, can you see how we identify order blocks? So now you can identify order blocks on all time frame, guys, on all time frames. Okay, so now there was a break of market structure right here. There was a break of market structure right here, and after this break of market structure right here, what next? Okay, we identify where the move started from. Okay, so now you can see that it started right from here. Okay, you can see that there was this move after a break of market structure. That means it left some orders right here. This was an order block, it left right here. Okay, so you mark it, and another one, it is right here. This was a move and there was a bullish candle right here before the move. Can you see that when the market came back to that order block? Can you see how it reacted, guys? Okay, yes, so now that's how you identify order blocks. That's how you identify bullish and bearish order blocks, guys. Okay, hope this video has helped you to know how to identify order blocks. Okay, So now let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys. This is Jimmy. Stay safe and goodbye.